So I'm finishing this tycoon. Last time it kept my camera kept lagging and it wouldn't record. It wouldn't record my voice. But as you guys know, I was building a tycoon. I deleted that video because I deleted it. There's no sound anyway, so it don't matter. But if you already watched it, yeah, I did everything. Yeah, I did everything. And oh my gosh, I can't run. I can't run, and I'm a brokey. Yeah, I'm a brokey. Right. Oh my god, so much stuff cost too much. This stuff costs too much. I'll get you. Shut up. Shit. Are you serious? He shoots this guy so slow. You know what? I'm gonna go AFK for a couple minutes. I'm gonna go AFK for a couple minutes, and hopefully I get a lot of money. So let's skip to that part. Okay, so we are back with a lot of money because I just went AFK for a little while. Well, 20 minutes. That's what I'll say. Oh my gosh, I'm so slow. Yeah. But first thing I'm doing right now is upgrading all of my characters. So let's just there you go. The fact that I have to spend a lot of money to upgrade up 2 times, because like you're fully upgraded. I have to upgrade you 2 times. You can know out. The feet. Right. See, that's kind of a waste of money. So SMG, you need to get upgraded to assault rifle. Wait up, turn this off. I'm gonna upgrade you, SMG. Go ahead. Yeah, all good. So this sniper's actually booty cheeks. Your cheeks, my boy. Actually, okay, that got to actually do stuff now. I already spent like 40K. How? Yeah, let me just help you guys out, cause yeah, I know that you guys are not there though. Get some kegs. Yes. Boom. Get that. Yeah, we're not winning this. Cause I need more people. Zombie bridge defense. Well, let me just get this barrier real quick. Bro, they can easily walk right through here. I don't see what is wrong with it. Like what? Why the heck are we gonna need this? Like, I mean, hey, listen. If you guys like and subscribe, I'll do it. Okay, if you guys like and subscribe. But I'm not doing it in this video because I need to get more Robux before I do it. But like and subscribe because if this video gets at least 10 views, okay, 10 views, I will play again and yeah, I'll launch a nuke. But this video has to get 10 likes. 10 likes, got it? 10 likes. 10 likes. Okay. I'm gonna get the sandbags, torrent, tables, crates. I mean, I rebirth a lot in this game because like I play this game a lot. Tank traps. Hurry up, get the armor. Just hurry up and get the strongest one real quick. Yeah, we are losing this. My gosh, I can't even run fast. Army tent, bunk beds, Zombie breach sequence of horror. Can I sit down, please? Dang it. One rebirth required. Yeah, I have one rebirth. I play this game a lot, bro. And I'm starting to get bulk. I'm a bulky. I'm a big fat bulky. I wouldn't say if Metal Sonic's fat, you know. I wouldn't say that, but you know. Boom. 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 There we go. This tycoon is too easy. Let's just get this diner. Wait, this is where we're gonna eat at? Guess this is where we eat. Right there, right there, right there. And then, oh, it's out of 30 other. Why is there a shower in here? Like, what? This makes no sense. Get the card, get the card. Come on, there's a chance we can win this. We can win this. We can win this video! Do you see me even number? One zombie. Just one zombie, are you serious? Like what? You gotta be joking me, right? You gotta be joking me. There we go. Get that support over there, hurry up. Run to get that support. I'm in the car there. Did I finish? Did I finish? Nope. I need to finish this entire place. You remember nothing with glue. Only remember how you feel like glue. Guard tower. Missile crates. Are you worried about those feel like glue? Those you really kind of feel like glue. How are zombies breaching? I literally... Well, if you guys want to see me finish this tycoon and launch a nuke, type nuke in the comments, okay? Type nuke in the comments 10 times. Okay, nuke in the comments 10 times if you want me to launch a nuke, okay? By the way, if you want some free Robux, comment your username down below and like and subscribe and follow and go on my profile on Roblox and follow me and join my community for some Robux. So just like and subscribe. Do what I said, okay? Yeah, so like and subscribe and comment down below nuke if you want me to launch a nuke and finish this place. So yeah, just please like and subscribe. Bye.